Now for the Chiari variants. So, if Chiari 1 is characterized by tonsillar ectopia and a syrinx and crowding of the foramen magnum. And Chiari 2 is characterized by a myelomeningocele because you have a posterior neuropore failure to close. A lesion between 1 and 2 would be 1.5. 1.5 means that you have tonsillar ectopia and you also have brainstem descent. But you don't have myelomeningocele. So it fulfills 1, but it doesn't quite fulfill 2. That's why it's called 1.5. Chiari 0 is you have a syrinx, you have crowding, but the tonsillar ectopia is not met. It may be 3 millimeters below the opisthyon bastion line or normally placed. So it doesn't quite fulfill 1. That's why it's called 0. 4, Chiari 4 refers to a primary cerebellar agenesis. And according to our reference, Chiari 4 should be abandoned and should instead be described as primary cerebellar agenesis. Now, what about Chiari 5? Chiari 5 is when you have a Chiari 2 plus you have a cervical, an occipital or high cervical myelomeningocele. So you have a myelomeningocele at the bottom because of the posterior neuropore failure to close, and you also have myelomeningocele at the top, maybe occipital or it may be high cervical in location. So that's 2 plus another large lesion, giving you Chiari 5.